This is Claire for Blockchain of Things. In this tutorial, we'll create a flow containing the List Asset Migrations node. If you don't know what a List Asset Migrations node is, make sure you check out the previous tutorial titled Understanding the List Asset Migrations node. This node can be used in two modes, interactive and runtime. First, let's go over how to use this node in runtime mode. Drag and drop the List Asset Migrations node from the Catenis Flow palette into your workspace. Double-click on the node to display the Properties slide-out panel. Select your Catenis virtual device and add the node's configuration information to each field of the Properties slide-out panel. Then, wire this node to a debug node. Next, drag and drop an inject node to the Node-RED workspace. Wire the inject node to the List Asset Migration node and double-click the inject node to open its Properties slide-out panel. Select the Payload field, choose the JSON type, then click the ellipse button to display a JSON edit box. Enter the JSON information you wish to pass as input to the Catenis node. For example, something like this. After entering your JSON information, click the Done button. Then click the Done button again and click Deploy. Click the button attached to the inject node to send the input from the inject node through the flow. The debug sidebar should display the returned JSON object containing the API call results. Great work! Now, pause the video and explore this flow if you'd like. Now, we're going to learn how to use this node in interactive mode. Clear your workspace to make room for the next flow. Drag and drop the List Asset Migrations node into your workspace. Double-click on the node to display the Properties slide-out panel. Select your Catenis virtual device and add the node's configuration information to each field of the Properties slide-out panel. Then, wire this node to a debug node. Click Deploy, then click the button on the left attached to this node to send the default property panel setting to the Catenis APIs and through the flow. The debug sidebar should display the returned JSON object. Great work! You should now understand how to use the List Asset Migrations node in both interactive mode and runtime mode. Ready to learn more about how to use Catenis Flow and the Catenis family of products? Awesome! You can check out all our tutorials at this link.